Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how you can make your dream of moving to Europe a reality in 2026. Whether you want to study, work, or just experience a new way of life, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through the essentials: choosing a country, preparing your applications, understanding visas, and budgeting. No jargon, just practical, beginner-friendly advice to get you started. Grab a notebook, and let's begin your European adventure. Before you pack your bags and set off on your European adventure, let's figure out your main reason for moving. Your path shapes everything, from the paperwork you'll need to the experiences you'll have. There are 3 main routes to Europe: studying, working, or skilled migration. Each one opens different doors and comes with its own unique opportunities and challenges. The study path is perfect for those seeking a degree or new academic experiences. Many programs are in English, and post-study visas can help you stay longer, giving you time to build a life and career. The work path is for professionals with experience. You'll need a job offer and a company to sponsor your visa. But it's a great way to jump straight into the European workforce and start earning right away. The skilled migration or job seeker visa lets you move to certain countries to look for a job in person. Ideal if you have in-demand skills and want the flexibility to explore different opportunities on the ground. Think about your goals. Do you want campus life and new friends, job security, and a clear career path? Or the freedom to job hunt and discover your own way after you arrive? Your choice determines your documents, visa, and timeline, and even the countries you can consider. Take time to reflect. This is the foundation of your plan, and it's worth getting it right before you take the next step. Talk to family, weigh your options, and pick the path that fits your life best. Their support and advice can make a big difference. Once you know your route, the next steps become much clearer, and you'll feel more confident moving forward. Now let's move on to choosing your perfect country and start turning your dream into reality. Now, let's pick your destination. Choosing the right country is a big decision, and it's about more than just picking a spot on the map. Europe is incredibly diverse, so it's important to match your personal and professional goals to the country that fits you best. Consider language. Some places are English-friendly, while others require at least basic skills in the local language to get by and truly connect. Research job markets. Germany is fantastic for engineers and tech professionals, with a strong demand for skilled workers. The Netherlands is a hub for international companies, while Portugal stands out for its affordability and relaxed lifestyle. And if you're an English speaker, Ireland offers a welcoming environment and plenty of opportunities. Balance salary potential with cost of living. Switzerland pays well but is famously expensive, so your paycheck might not stretch as far as you think. Meanwhile, Portugal offers a much lower cost of living, making it easier to enjoy life on a budget. Visa rules matter. Germany's Blue Card, Ireland's Critical Skills Permit, and Portugal's D7 visa all have different requirements, so check which one matches your background and plans. Use LinkedIn to check job opportunities, Numbeo for living costs, and compare cities before making a decision, and always rely on official immigration sites for the most up-to-date visa info. Don't just pick a country based on a vacation. Dig deep into what daily life is really like for residents and newcomers. Match your skills, lifestyle, and long-term goals to the country's needs and rules for newcomers. Make an informed choice for your long-term happiness and career growth. Remember, research is your best friend here. Take your time and explore all your options. Once you've narrowed it down, you're ready to build your profile and start preparing your applications. Let's get you noticed by universities and employers. Your journey is just beginning. On to the next step. Your future in Europe awaits. Time to make yourself stand out. Moving to Europe is a big step, and your profile is the first impression you'll make. So let's make it count. Your profile is your personal brand. It's what sets you apart from thousands of other applicants and tells your unique story. For students, strong academics and relevant degrees matter. Highlight your coursework, projects, and any international experience you have. For professionals, highlight in-demand skills and measurable achievements. Show how you've made an impact in your field. Check if your degree is recognized in Europe. Get a statement of comparability if needed. This can save you time and avoid surprises later. Even basic local language skills show commitment. Add them to your resume. Consider taking a short course or practicing daily. Update your CV to the Europass format and tailor it for each application. Make sure your experience matches what employers or universities are looking for. Polish your LinkedIn, use a professional photo, write a compelling summary, and get recommendations. Join groups related to your field and target country. Connect with people and companies in your target country. Networking can open doors and give you valuable insights. A strong, active profile tells your story and shows you're ready. Keep it updated and showcase your growth. This is more than ticking boxes. It's about presenting your best self. Be authentic and confident in what you offer. Prep now to stand out and get that acceptance letter or job offer. The effort you put in now will pay off. Ready? Let's tackle the application process together and make your European dream a reality. Next up, applying to universities and jobs. We'll break down each step so you know exactly what to do. Here's how to do it right. Let's get started. Applications time. For universities, start on the official site, find requirements, deadlines, and the application portal. Prepare transcripts, degree certificates, motivation letters, recommendations, and language test scores. Your motivation letter should connect your past to your future goals. Be specific and passionate. For jobs, use LinkedIn and company career pages. Apply directly when possible. Tailor your CV and write a cover letter that shows why you're perfect for that specific role. Network with recruiters and employees in your target country. Always use official websites for applications. Avoid third-party agents. The waiting period can be tough, but stay patient and keep improving your profile. Every no is a step closer to the right yes. Keep applying, stay positive, and trust the process. The right opportunity is out there. Next, let's demystify the visa process. Here's what you need to know. Got your acceptance letter or job offer? Congrats! Now, it's visa time. Visas are official permission to stay. Student, work, or EU Blue Card are the main types. Start with your chosen country's embassy or consulate. For students, acceptance letter, proof of funds, and identity documents are key. For workers, your employer helps with paperwork. Bring your contract and supporting documents. The EU Blue Card is for highly qualified professionals with a job offer and a set salary. Gather all required documents: passport, forms, photos, proof of funds, and health insurance. Double-check everything and follow embassy instructions exactly. Only trust official embassy websites for up-to-date info. Submit your application and you're almost there. The visa is your final step before booking your flight. Let's talk budgeting for your big move. Budgeting is crucial for a smooth move. Plan for one-time costs, flights, visa fees, document translations, and tuition if you're a student. Proof of funds is required for visas. Check the exact amount on official sites. Housing is your biggest ongoing expense. Research rent and deposits in your target city. Daily costs include groceries, transport, phone, and health insurance. Use Numbeo or Expatistan to estimate living expenses. Set aside money for fun and exploration. You're moving to Europe after all. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses for peace of mind. Start saving early and track your progress. A solid budget is your safety net and foundation for success. Next, let's cover your first steps after arrival. Here's how to settle in quickly. You've landed. The first weeks are busy but exciting. Secure temporary housing if you haven't already. Never pay deposits before seeing a place. Register your address with the city. This unlocks everything else. Open a local bank account for salary and rent. Set up health insurance. It's mandatory. Get a local SIM card for affordable calls and data. Be patient with paperwork and ask for help from your university or employer. Join expat groups for advice and support. Explore your new city, enjoy the small moments. Celebrate every win, from finding an apartment to navigating public transport. You're not just moving, you're building a new life. Stay organized and positive. Now, let's talk about turning your new city into your true home. You're officially a resident. Now focus on long-term success and integration. Secure your job or keep searching if you're on a job seeker visa. Learn the local work culture and adapt to succeed. Consider permanent residency. Requirements vary, but usually involve years of living, working, and language skills. Keep building your career. Look for growth opportunities and new skills. Integration is key. Keep learning the language, even a little each day. Build a community, join clubs, attend events, and make friends with locals and expats. These connections turn a foreign city into home. Embrace the ups and downs. This journey is a marathon. Celebrate your progress and remember why you started. You're building a rich cross-cultural life. Your European story is just beginning. Let's wrap up with some final encouragement. That's our step-by-step guide to moving to Europe in 2026. Every big dream starts with small steps. You can do this. Be prepared, stay positive, and enjoy the journey. Let me know in the comments which country you're aiming for, or if you have questions. Subscribe for more practical guides on living and working abroad. Good luck. Your European adventure awaits.